Hello everyone, welcome back to BlacX Studio. Do you know that Google might announce a foldable Pixel next month? You don't? Let's go and talk about it. Consumer hardware is not always a foregone conclusion for I/O. In fact, after the last few pandemic events, nothing much feels like a foregone conclusion these days. After what felt like a universally off year for consumer electronics. However, we have got big hopes for developer shows like I/O and WWDC. Google Pixel 7a has looked like a slum drunk for some time now, while the long-threatened Pixel tablet seemed like a distinct possibility. In recent weeks and months, a foldable phone has begun to look increasingly likely. First, Google announced foldable screen support for Android back in 2018. Obviously, Samsung was the big partner and recipient in those days, and Google wanted to make Android development as frictionless as possible for others. The following year, Google Foldable patent surfaced, and we all understand that patent does not mean a company is working on the product. That says it is another key data point in this story. In the intervening year, foldables have begun gathering steam even outside of Samsung orbit, and we were amazed by how many different models were populating the hall of MWC back in March. Google went through its own hardware transformation a couple of years back. After years of struggling and a few identity crises, the company got serious about building a flagship with the Pixel 6, right down to its in-house silicon. The Pixel saw significant market share growth, but it remained a single-digit drop in a bucket of overall North America smartphone market. The new spat of rumors show a book-style foldable that's rumored to be on I/O schedule roughly 3 weeks from now. The form factor has been compared to Oppo's recent foldable, in contrast with the narrower Samsung Fold variety. It also evokes Microsoft's erstwhile Duo, though that system opted for a split rather than a foldable screen. Rumor says that the Google is considering Pixel Notepad name. Maybe it's just the year of Galaxy Notes, but it screams stylish. Another rumor puts the price around $1,400, pricey by the reasonable measure, but the smack in the middle of Galaxy Flip $999 and the foldable one is $1,800. And other rumor put the price much closer to Galaxy Fold. That's it for today. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for such interesting news. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.